Hello guys, today at Tips and Tricks we will make the review of the BlitzWolf BS10 Sport Tripod and Selfie Stick. Comes in this small box. I bought it from AliExpress and it seemed like a good bargain. Everything is packed. This is how it looks like. In the same package you have the charging cable of the remote control here. There's a small remote control. Comes also with the user manual. And some smiley face. We're interested in the selfie stick, tripod. It has at the end a typical screw for the photo cameras. But it has this nice reinforced legs. So if you extend it, you see this nice reinforcement here. These you won't find on other selfie sticks, tripods, and this brings a plus. Let's see it standing up. So that's the tripod. I use it every day. It's a good piece of hardware. This is how tall it is. Put the ruler here. Around 85 centimeters. There you go. Close. Yep, 85. I mean, if you put the photo camera, it's more like 84. And if you put a cell phone, actually, it's more like the cell phone sits on top of some 78. The upper part rotates. It's also inclining. So I think there's not more to say. You can make it small, you can make it big. This is how you extend it and put the phone in. I think that's pretty it, but it has stronger legs. I mean, if you put an S20 Ultra on it and try to shoot like this, it will have hard times. Yeah. The heavy phone I'll incline it so maybe at a slight angle it will work better. So I have to turn the phone if you're keeping it like this, or you keep it in the reverse position, because here you don't have the same degree that you have on this side. But generally it's a good tool, especially the remote if you want to shoot the stars, for example, in the night. You can use the remote, and the remote will trigger the phone without moving it when you press on the screen. So in this way you don't have the trailing of the stars. I like it. Yeah, thanks. See you on the next post. Bye.